You asked how to buy shares of Rentokil Initial PLC ADR. Rentokil is a global pest control and hygiene services company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RTOUS. And this video is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy RTOUS, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker RTOUS to locate the Rentokil ADR. Select the result that clearly states Rentokil Initial PLC ADR to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, check the company summary and sector information alongside the price chart to verify details. Confirm the page shows Rentokil Initial PLC ADR trading on NASDAQ before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or pending. For a direct link to the eToro example, check the description below.